G'day guys, how's it going? So this is my first official video shot with the GoPro Hero 9, which is the black edition. I don't even know if there's any other edition, but anyway, I'm not here for the GoPro today. I'm here for something else, something for my fellow G8 friends in America, which obviously in Australia would be called a VE Holden Commodore SSV, but nah, not over here. It's a Pontiac G8 GT. Yep, that's what it is. So anyway, this is what we're looking at today. So this is the Aerpro upgraded digital climate control, and this is how you upgrade your standard double DIN system into this digital climate control. So you can see that little puppy there. Sorry for the light in the background, but anyway, check that out. So yeah, I just got this thing directly from Australia. So she's made of sturdy ABS plastic, and the texture on it's made to match your dashboard in your G8. Now you have two choices in colors too. You get black or gray, so depending on your interior or what sort of look you want to go for. So I haven't even opened this, so I decided I'd just do it on cam and see what we got here. So let's crack her open and check her out. So got a little booklet. Sorry again about the light. And here she comes. Yep, there goes the frame. So it looks like got the mounting brackets here, frame for your screen, I guess. Now with this thing, you can there's a lot of different screens you could choose from. Probably Alpine, Pioneer, Kenwood. I don't know. There's probably a bunch of generic ones too from China. But let's take this puppy out real quick. The good mate Joe that owns G8 Only is basically getting these in for you guys. Unfortunately, he was a bit delayed with what he could get from me, so I got it direct from Australia. Now it helps to obviously be an Aussie and know people. So there she is, pretty simple. All right, so that's it, and obviously there's your climate control, and your screen would be there. Basically your wiring harness and all your connections. So I believe this kit's fully plug and play. So that's it. Your fuse and everything. So that's pretty much it. Not a very long vid, but I think that if any of you guys are looking to do the screen upgrade, there are some options out there. There's some really expensive options. I know that one Australian company is doing systems for, I don't know if they start at about $1,000 and they go up to a couple thousand depending on what options you want. So, but yeah, anyway, that is pretty simple, guys. The Aerpro upgraded kit for your double DIN dash radio. All right, guys. Well, hope you enjoyed the vid. I know it was quick, easy, but I hope it helps you guys decide what you want to do. Looks pretty cool, pretty sturdy. You got your hazard flasher up there. Saw a USB somewhere too. Guess this is USB. Yep, there's USB in the front there. Cool. I think it, you know, with the screen you can do Apple CarPlay and all that as well. Anyway, that's bloody it. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, just shoot me a message down the bottom and I'll see if I can help you out. But yeah, if you can't get one of these from Joe, just you can get them direct from Australia if you look hard enough. That's it, guys. Appreciate yous. If you like the videos, give me a like and subscribe if you want to. There's going to be way more G8 stuff, but as we Aussies say, Holden Commodore SSVs. And yeah, that's it, guys. Peace out. Appreciate yous.